Well, should we start another video off here with Buddy? He's a little sleepy. Yeah, he's had a long day there having Chappelle. He's just tired. I think he's tired and bored. But anyway, still been working on the Bronco. Been working on the tailgate today. This thing had so much, I don't know what it was. There's tape all along, everywhere that I've sanded off here. This really sticky, cruddy tape, and all it would do is plug up my sanding disc. I couldn't pull it off. It just wouldn't come off, and I can't find a used sanding disc. Anyway, it was just garbage. It would plug up the disc. This is a pretty new one, but all around the outside of it just be plugged up with just a gummy gooey crud. And so I've used like 3 of them on there to get all that off there, and then I'm going over it with I've used Purple Power, and then probably going to use wax and grease remover, get all that residue off of there. The tailgate needs a little bit of work. I've kind of forgotten about the tailgate. Doesn't need a whole lot, and it's upside down right now. But this corner over here is bent out. That shouldn't be a big deal. That should be a pretty easy fix. And then just a couple spots on the outside of it that might need a little bit of body filler in them and such. So been working on that today. Darn thing weighs. That thing's heavy. Need to get all the rust off of it, which a lot of this isn't rust. It's just dirty looking crud. I sprayed Purple Power down in here and it's just crud. So anyway, been doing that today. Came back here on the back of the Bronco and cleaned up these back sections, which they're not perfect, but I got them all sanded down and stuff. So hopefully get the tailgate on there tomorrow. I gotta spray the inside of the tailgate, gotta spray these tailgate jams or whatever you call them. Get that done. Just a lot of stuff going on, guys. Got my paint gun shipped out today to James and Kyle, so they should receive that next week. As far as the rain we were supposed to get today, I don't know where it is. They were saying severe storms today, but yeah, so far hasn't been bad at all. It's been a pretty good day, actually. I haven't looked at the weather, don't know if it's supposed to develop tonight. I have no idea. They were saying severe storms today. Who knows? So anyway, got me some wings going in here. These are almost done, I think. Yeah, those are about done. I think another 15 minutes and they're gonna be done. Take those up to the house. Chomp down on some of those. But anyway, this stuff just all takes time, guys. Just little stuff, don't want to get the painting before you have it all set and ready. And I gotta clean this thing up. There's a lot of sanding down on here. There's some rust spots I gotta fix. On the other side, the outside of it, a couple places might need a little bit of filler. I don't know if I'm going to get this thing primered before I go out to Oregon. I'm going to try. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, going out to see James and Kyle out at Central Oregon Shenanigans, I will link them down below. That's their channel. Going out there for a couple of weeks. At the end of next week, and we are going to be doing a lot of filming, a lot of recording. May not be all truck stuff. I'm going out there to paint Kyle's truck, which a lot like that truck, different color, but it's an Oregon truck, so it doesn't have all the rusty, crusty stuff on it like you get here in Iowa with all the salt and stuff on the roads. So going out there to paint that, and I will link them down below, like I said. But we are going to be recording a whole bunch of stuff. And I I would suggest you go and subscribe to those guys. Also, hit the notification bell on both of our channels so you know when we both upload, because there's going to be a bunch, and might be doing some of the same stuff, different angles, different personality, like I've said before. So check them out. Go subscribe to them. We're gonna have a good time. So, buddy, are you a little bit tired there, pal? Buddy and Jesse were out romping around. They were out romping around like before he ever got shot. They were really going at it. So I think Buddy's doing good. Pups are all doing good. Pups are they're getting big. Their eyes are open. I think we have most of them spoken for. I stopped at a convenience store today, and a guy from a town, well, it's a town off that direction, about 10 miles. He noticed my truck. He recognized me from off of YouTube. He came up. We had a conversation there for a while. They might take one of them, which that would be really cool. I'd like to know some people that take them, and then be able to see them later on too. So anyway, that's what's going on tonight. I'm gonna keep working on this tailgate after I go eat some wings here. Keep working on this tailgate. Hopefully get that mounted up tomorrow, and start getting things painted. This is just something like I said last night in my little update. I've kind of forgotten about it. I did that on the flare side that I did too. It just wasn't. I don't know what it was. I forgot about it till after the fact, and then I painted it afterwards. But I'd like to get the inside of this painted and all the jams, all that painted up before I get her mounted on the Bronco here. So I don't know, guys. It may not get primer before I go. I don't know. I'm gonna try here. We'll see what happens. But anyway, that is the Friday night update. Go check out Central Oregon Shenanigans going out there end of next week. Next Saturday I'll be there, and we're gonna have a good old time. I think Buddy, he's had it. He's feeling pretty pooped. So, alrighty guys, that is your Friday night update. And I'm sorry for all the update videos. It's just some of this is really monotonous stuff. Just sanding. I don't really want to make a video of sanding. So I will make a video when I start painting. But anyway, I think that is it for tonight, guys, and we will catch you next time. Bye-bye.